With COVID cases on the rise here in San Diego and across the country, a lot of people want to know how you can tell the difference between COVID-19 symptoms and symptoms of the common cold.
News 8's Brian White spoke with an infectious disease specialist who has some good advice.
As the Omicron variant continues to spread, people are wondering if they come down with certain symptoms, how they know whether it's a cold, flu, or Omicron.
As we know, this virus is highly contagious, much more than the previous variants.
Dr. Shao is an infectious disease physician with Sharp Chula Vista, and he says Omicron symptoms are similar to previous COVID variants.
They include fever, chills, headache, sore throat, and it progresses. People will start having cough, shortness of breath.
Dr. Shao points out that while many symptoms are similar between COVID-19 and a common cold or flu, there are certain symptoms exclusive to COVID.
A unique feature of COVID-19, as you know, is loss of sense of smell and taste, which you will not find in common cold viruses. The other thing is that common cold tend not to give you high fever and sometimes severe headache, which Omicron is reporting these symptoms as predominant.
But Dr. Shao warns us that we should be concerned about any symptoms that arise.
Use your common sense and practice some infection control measures. Try to avoid going to a crowded place without a mask.
With cold and flu season in full swing, some doctors warn that parents may not be able to differentiate their child's cold and flu symptoms from COVID.
Influenza is starting to go up, other respiratory viruses are going up, and there's no way for a parent to tell the difference between a common respiratory virus and the COVID infection. So anytime a child gets sick, they need to be kept at home so that they don't run the risk of spreading whatever it is they have, particularly if they have COVID.
And for the latest, most accurate information, just visit the county's website for testing site locations and whether appointments are required.